Hello students, in this video we are going to see the mechanism of preparation of carboxylic acids from nitriles and amides. So what happened during the reaction? If we take the example of cyanide or nitrile, methyl cyanide is nothing but ethane nitrile, CH3CN acetonitrile is the one more name of this CH3 C triple bond N. When the acid hydrolysis takes place, H plus ions are available and this increase the speed of reaction. H plus increase the speed of reaction. This nitrogen is highly electronegative, having one lone pair electron, and by using this one lone pair electron it bonded with this H plus. So while after bonding it becomes CH3 C triple bond as it is NH. So by losing two electrons, this nitrogen carry positive charge on it. Now to get stability, this nitrogen become unstable. To get stability, this pi bonded electron shifted on nitrogen. Then this carbon carry positive charge and this pair of electron shift on the nitrogen, which replace the positive charge on nitrogen. Now this reaction proceed further. The water molecule present in this reaction, this water molecule is bonded to C plus by using pair of electron on oxygen. So after bonding with this carbon, this oxygen carry positive charge and this carbon completed its 4 valency. Now the positive charge on carbon is replaced. Again what happened? This oxygen become unstable, and to get stability, this pi bonded pair of electron between OH bond breaks heterolytically and this pair of electron attracted towards oxygen. Here H plus is removed. So this H plus again bonded to this nitrogen. Nitrogen uses its lone pair electron and bonded with H plus. Means again here nitrogen is protonated and finally it is converted into CH3 OH double bond NH2. Now again second molecule of this to get the stability, this pi bond electron shifted on the nitrogen because it carries positive charge. This nitrogen carry positive charge. To become stable, this pair of electron shifted on the nitrogen, and at the same time to get a stability, oxygen break a bond between OH heterolytically. It attracts this pair of electron towards itself and there is a formation of H plus ion. Now this H plus ion further bonded with the NH2. So this NH2, again this nitrogen is bonded with this H plus and it form NH3. So NH3 is removed as a byproduct, and again one more H2O, means two molecules of H2O finally added to this CH3CO group. So addition or the oxygen is bonded to this carbon by using lone pair electron, and therefore this oxygen carry positive charge. To get stability, the bond between OH is breaks and both electrons attract on this oxygen, and here H plus is formed, which this H plus is removed, and finally here we get the final product is nothing but acetic acid, and this H plus is removed. So in the first step, if you observe, in the first step H plus is added and the last step this H plus is given out. So here in the first step this nitrogen gets protonated, nitrogen is protonated, Now next one, addition of water takes place to this carbon. Next step, again nitrogen is protonated, then further one more H2O molecule gets added, means acid hydrolysis takes place, and in the last step removal of ammonia and removal of H plus, we get the final product carboxylic acid. So this is the mechanism of cyanides, or how the cyanides are converted into its corresponding carboxylic acids.